Stephanie, 2 weeks in a row, the winner. 2 great drives down the track.
Thank you. Yeah, the drives was, I think, okay, and I had a lot of fun too this week. And Eagles is a good place for me, I think.
You started in Lake Placid. You surprised yourself with a bronze medal. And now, did you think you could win on the World Cup Tour so quick? Now you have 2 World Cup gold medals?
No, I can't imagine this. It happened, and so I'm very happy about this. And it's okay, I'm prepared good for Christmas.
Annika, do you know you tied the start record in the second run?
Yeah, this was the aim for me in the second run, and yeah, there's the start record, and we're very happy about it.
You have good memories on this track.
Yeah. 2 years ago we became world champion with Schneider, and yeah, it's always a good place here for me to start in Eagles. I love it here.
Ladies, congratulations.